Hey, Jack, what are you doing? Oh, I just love you. I love you, sir. Here you go. Hey, Mina. I love you, buddy. What are you doing? Yes, sweetheart. Do we get any kind of attention today? We do, Poops. You're a good girl. You're a good girl. Behold, what happens here. It's these two. Hey, Binks, can I get a boop? Can I get a boop, sir? Oh, that's a good one, buddy. Hey, Tom. Hey, Tom. Hi. You feel no? Okay, bye-bye. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Well, that's Tom for the morning. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oliver, where are you? Where's my Oliver at? Oliver! Huh? Has anybody seen Oliver? Have you seen Oliver? Mina, have you seen her? No? Okay. Jack, have you seen Oliver? Have you? No? I don't think Tom's worth asking right now. He's not. He's one brain cell. Binks, do you know where he is? Hey. Good boy. Come on, guys. Where's Oliver? Oh, wait. What's that? Hey, Oliver. What are you doing in there? He's very sneaky.